Hey guys, this is Rayuse here. So this is just a quick channel update on what you can expect from this channel going forward and what you have looking forward to from this channel. So what can you expect from this channel? Well, you can expect to continue seeing some tutorials from me, as well as some more game dev related content, such as games that I do for game jams and other games in general. Now, on the subject of tutorials, I am going to continue to do 2D tutorials, but I'm actually going to branch out and start doing some 3D tutorials for Godot as well. And I'm actually going to start this pretty soon. I might actually release a 3D tutorial in the coming week, or who knows, maybe this week. So look forward to that in the near future. Now, on the subject of 3D, some of you actually might have noticed that the first types of videos that I actually released on the channel were 3D modeling videos that I made using Blender back when I was trying to learn Blender actively, and I do want to go back to trying to learn Blender again and getting better with 3D modeling, so you can expect to see some 3D modeling and Blender content in the near future. Now, if you know me in real life or you've spoken with me, you would know that I'm a huge freaking weeb and that I fell into the HoloLive rabbit hole a while ago. So you can probably expect to see some content related to that as well, whether it's in the form of games or artwork. Now, on the subject of artwork, you can probably expect to see some more artwork related stuff, such as maybe some Photoshop, some drawing, whether it's pixel art or just drawing in general. So expect to see that as well. Now, lastly, you might see the channel banner and icon change, so please don't be alarmed if you notice that. Also, real quick, the channel anniversary is actually coming up pretty soon, so we're at the time of this recording we're at 376 subscribers, so I would like to see if we can hit the sub goal of 500 subscribers by then. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, as it definitely helps the channel out. Now, some goals for the channel that I would like to accomplish by this year are, sub-wise, I would like to see if we can hit 1,000 subscribers and grow this small community we have here. And I want to continue to make great content that I enjoy and that you guys find helpful. With that said, that actually does it for this video. So as always, if you liked the video, make sure you leave a like and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, actually real quick, I'm currently working on 2 online multiplayer games in Godot that I'm planning to make for a Godot online multiplayer dedicated server course. So let me know if you would be interested in this, and I'll see what I can do. Now, with that said, this video is actually over.